If you're considering getting your carpets cleaned, part of the process is getting a quote for the work that you're looking to have done. This brief video will explain what we do, why, and how it benefits you. A carpet cleaning quotation is actually more than just a price quote. From your point of view, you should be wanting to know what will be done and how your carpets will look after cleaning. You're going to want to know how long the work will take and when your carpets will be dry again. There are many different ways to clean carpets, and the results can vary a lot. It would be good to see maybe a test patch so that you have a clear idea of how all your carpet cleaning will look. You'll also want to discuss moving any furniture, any problem spots and stains, and any odour issues that you may have, and these would need to be tested. You really, ideally, should meet the people you're going to deal with. This meeting will give you a good idea of their ethics and sincerity, important when they're working in your home or business. It's also a very good idea to check them out by maybe reading their customer reviews, looking at any before and after pictures they have, and reading any case studies. If they don't have any, well, why not? What, they don't have any happy customers? They should have loads of them. Finally, the areas to be cleaned will need to be surveyed and a written price quote given to you to keep. This is for your protection, so there are no nasty surprises or hidden charges. It goes without saying that most of this can't be done over the phone, can't be done on the internet. A personal visit is actually really important. Now, I understand that this is a little time consuming, and maybe you feel that you just want to get on with it and get the job done. But the brief time that it takes to do a visit and give you a personal quote will not only ensure that you get a vastly better result, it will also prevent any misunderstandings, or I'm sad to say scams, that are very important today, and they always take place over the phone or online. So how long should all this take? Well, if the job is quite small and the requirements are straightforward, it can take as little as 10 minutes. But actually, shouldn't it just take as long as you need to feel happy with what you're going to get for the money that you're going to pay? So if you're thinking of getting a carpet cleaning price quote, be very clear about what you want, and don't be talked into something that you don't want or don't need. If the company won't visit you to give you a quote, be suspicious. I mean, why don't they come out? Are you not worth their time and effort? Is there something they don't want you to see? Of course, they may be genuine, but as we've seen, a proper professional carpet cleaning price quote can't be done on the phone or online. Get your quote and the details of what they'll be doing in writing. Spending a little extra time having your carpet cleaner come out to you to give you a detailed carpet cleaning quote is well worth it, and it will give you a better result, better value for your money, and a better experience overall. I hope this has helped.